Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, you know I share valuable content. Okay, it's me, Jafega Okoreko, popularly known as Fesky. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back to watch my videos and for giving it thumbs up and for sharing. And if you're just bumping into the channel, you are most welcome. In this channel, I share valuable content about money importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this sounds great to you, do not hesitate to click on the red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell icon so you get notified each time I drop new videos. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can be able to picture search using your Chrome browser. Okay, a lot of persons have contacted me telling me that they want to use their Chrome browser to picture search. Although I've already filmed a video on how you can be able to use your 1688 app to be able to picture search. Okay, but a lot of persons, they prefer the Chrome browser. They are just cool with the Chrome browser. Unlike me, I prefer the app. Okay, so today I will show you how you can be able to use your Chrome browser to picture search. It's now working. Okay, so let's go to 1688. All right, here we are on our Chrome browser. We type in 1688. Okay, are you with me? Here we are. Okay, so now you see this is on the phone view. What you do in order for you to be able to picture search. Now here on the phone view, you can't see the camera icon. The camera icon is supposed to be somewhere around here. Okay, but since it's on the phone view, you can't see it. So what do? We have to use desktop site view. Okay, so that we can be able to see it. Now as usual, we'll go to these three dots at the top right hand corner, click on it. You click on it, okay, and then you click on desktop site view. Okay, so we'll click on that. We'll change to the desktop mode as if we're using a computer. Okay, here it is. Can you see the camera icon? So that's what we'll click on. Okay, we'll click on that. And then we'll pick something. Let's say we want to search for this. I want to search for that sandal, that palm rather, the slippers. Okay. And boom! It's working now! Yippee! I hope you followed the trick we used. We have to change to desktop site view. Okay. So here you go. These are the pictures of that particular slippers. So like I have taught before in one of my videos on how you can be able to get a quality item product from 1688, you have to check all those stuff. I'll drop the link to that video if you haven't watched it. Okay, so you go view it and then you start your importation. Okay, you start importing. However, they are done with their Chinese holiday. So yes, you can import right now and get your goods in a short while. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. And then if you haven't subscribed, please click on the red subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.